Globally inspired comfort food ang ating susubukan dito sa Clark, Pampanga. At ito'y pangungunahan ng isang up-and-coming Pinoy chef at food trailblazer ng kanyang henerasyon. Kilalanin natin si Chef Bong Sagbit at ang kanyang Tito Boy. Ito si Kuya Tonipet at ito ang TONIPET'S TAKEOUT.
Sarap! Aha! Namiss kita eh. Favorite ko to. Ha! Tara, let's eat.
Sino nga ba si Tito Boy? Makikilala natin sa pamamagitan ng mga owner ng trending na restaurant na Tito Boy, sina Chef Bong and Tin Sagbit.
Hi, Chef! Hi, Tin! Hello! Hello! Chef!
Hi!
I'm so happy, I'm so excited. Dami kong narinig na magagandang balita, magandang mga review. At balita ko, successful ang Tito Boy. Sino si Tito Boy, Chef?
Well, parang sabi nga nila, there's no real Tito Boy. Pero they would always say in every Filipino family, would always have that one Tito Boy.
Tama. Taas ka ba? Ako may Tito Boy. Hi, Tito Boy. Ayan, tama.
Tapos, coincidentally, Tito Boy in our family is my dad. So, for the longest time, I wanted to open up a restaurant. Tapos nga, pag-decide namin na let's name it Tito Boy when we open up one. So,
Yes. Yes. And then when did you open?
So, Tito Boy opened February 3, 2024.
Okay, bago lang. Kaka 1 year nyo lang. Wow, congratulations. How has it been so far?
blessed.
Yes.
Feeling blessed na the community actually, they supported us, friends, families. Wala na kaming mako-complain. Binigay na lahat nila.
Tama.
So,
May distinct na personality si Tito Boy. So, what does Tito Boy like to serve? Anong gustong...
Si Tito Boy,
Pagkain ni
hindi
Tito
siya
Boy.
mahirap pakainin.
Oo.
Si Tito Boy, alam niya kung ano yung gusto niyang kainin pagkatapos niyang magtrabaho. So, doon nag-revolve yung menu natin na we want something comforting, something easy to eat, something well thought of, pero sandali rin kainin.
Ano ba yung mga trending, mga best-selling dishes natin?
For appetizer, we have the Sisig croquettes.
Wow.
So, since we're in Pampanga,
Sisig, oo naman.
So, version of chef is the Sisig croquettes.
Okay.
For for pastas naman namin and salads, we have this friend who does his own burrata cheese. So we
Wow.
incorporated that into our salad. So we call it, we named it after him, Nilo. His name is Nilo. So we named it Nilo's Burrata.
Kamusta ang dynamic ng like a husband and wife na partnership? I'm sure it's highly recommended. Would you recommend it to anyone na gusto magkaroon ng startup?
Siyempre sa family-owned business or family-run business, small business, maganda talaga kung mag-asawa kayo magtatrabaho or family, ganyan. Pero, siyempre, mayroon certain sacrifices when it comes to that. Yung mga anak namin, medyo hindi namin makakasama. Pero we're lucky that my family or our family takes care of them while we're here. Pero siyempre, hindi mo maiwasan yung may konting friction.
Yeah.
Meron.
All in the family, di ba? All part of
Konti.
it. Oo. Any Kapampangan food figuring in the menu?
We don't really pertain to any one cuisine. So medyo toss up between Moroccan sometimes, Chinese sometimes. Pero yung panglasang Filipino, hindi namin kinakalimutan talaga yan.
Tama.
So dapat nandun yung asim, nandun yung tamis, nandun yung alat, linamnam. So doon talaga, you might be looking at a Western type of dish when it comes to the menu for this week. Pero yung panlasang Pinoy dapat nandun pa rin.
Would you like to invite them to Tito Boy? Yes.
So, we are located at Clark Center. We are open from Tuesday to Sunday, 11 a.m. until 10 in the afternoon. So, our email or mobile number is posted on our Facebook and Instagram. So, kindly follow us.
Thank you guys. Salamat.
Thank you.
We're excited. I'm so stoked. Okay na. Okay na ako. Pinagandaan ko to guys.
Magluluto tayo ngayon ng hamachi collar dito sa Tito Boy. So, i-marinate natin ng salt and pepper with sugar. Ito lang sa skin. And then, put some cooking oil. Then, put na sa, ilalagay na sa grill. So, ang pag-grill natin is, one side lang. Ito lang sa skin para hindi masira yung meat. We'll take this sa grill, mga 2 to 3 minutes. Then, ready na sa oven. So, i-oven na natin. Good for 5 to 7 minutes. So, ito na yung pa-finish product natin. Then, papahiran na natin ng tamarind sauce. Sa susunod, ito-torch na natin. Ito na ang grilled hamachi collar ng Tito Boy.
Kilalanin natin ang lubusan si Tito Boy sa pamamagitan ng kanyang mga pagkain. Siyempre, courtesy of Chef Bong. Unahin natin ang kanilang sisig croquettes. You know, look at that. Beautiful.
Sisig nga through and through. Tingnan nyo. Walang tapon. Crispy croquette shell outside, meaty sisig inside. Yun.
Obviously, ang bida rito, yung sisig. Can we talk about their sisig muna? Sisig ni Chef Bong. Masarap. Mahusay. May konting heat. It's very meaty. Nalalasahan mo yung meron siyang hint of calamansi. And then smoky siya. And pero in bite-sized croquette. What a good first impression. Sarap. Sarap. Dito pa lang isang episode na to eh. Next, ipapa-experience sa atin ni Tito Boy ang kanilang best-selling grilled hamachi collar. Yan o, ito yung meat. Look at that. Tikman muna natin ang wala ibang kapares. Look at that. Yung hamachi mismo, flavorful, very fresh. Pagkaka-grill niya, it's all like medyo sweet siya and caramelized yung labas. And then inside, it's just the naturally sweet and fresh meat ng hamachi, ng young yellowtail. And the glaze that they use is sampalok glaze. Kaya pala may natural siya na sweetness. Masarap din yung salad nila. Sarap, very fresh. Kung nakita nyo, di ba yung place, di ba? It's so homey. This restaurant is a mood. Di ba? May sarili siyang personality, kanya-kanyang personality ng pagkain. May sariling personality yung mismong restaurant, yung mismong venue. So they're selling not just the food, but also the experience. Really good. Next. Ito ang kanilang Tito Boy Special, pork chop. Actual portion to ng malaking pork chop, and then meron siyang grilled apple. Ito naman yung grilled apple, and then asparagus, and then kale. And then yung juice na nakikita nyo ay sabaw ng kale at dashi. Pork chop, look at that. Lambot, oh. Wow. Kale. Kale is actually a superfood. Wow. Yung flavor ng pork, yung how it's just lightly salted, yung kung paano nila ito siniseason, naturally seasoned lang with salt and then pepper. And that's it. That's all you need. We like a bit of fat, pre. Gusto natin yun. Nagkakaroon siya ng ibang personality. They try it with horseradish, and then yung combination ng kale and the asparagus and its juice, its own juice with dashi. Yung apple, tapos saka siya grill. So yung natural sugars nung apple lumalabas. Wala akong sabi rito. Ang mandate ng Tito Boy, dapat meron silang catch of the day. Or each day, merong fish na ibinibida. Para sa ating TONIPET'S Takeout, ito ay baked fish. Ano ang bait fish? Galunggong. Nakakatuwa kasi hindi nila kinakalimutan na ibida ang what's intrinsic sa atin, 'di ba? Sa Pilipinas, of course, we archipelagic tayo na bansa. So marami tayong napapaligiran tayo ng tubig, marami tayong masasarap, mayaman tayo sa isda, sa yamang dagat, isda, galunggong. And then may lemon, ipigaan natin. Ganda ng pagkakaluto niya. Simple lang, lalasaan mo lang talaga yung masarap na flavor ng baby galunggong. Biglang nag-level up yung galunggong eating experience mo, no? Pwede. Almost para siyang papunta na sa daing, parang dinaing, parang daing siya na galunggong, pero not quite. Imagine, maliit na galunggong na ganito can be packed with so much flavor. Okay, ito naman, ang kanilang duck cassoulet. Sa mga Pranses, ito ay traditional, isa sa mga traditional na mga dish. Particular na sa Southern France. Kinakasolay nila usually poultry, chicken, duck. So it's actually duck leg on a bed of pork and beans and bacon sausage. May bacon sausage sila. Wow. Diba? Tapos, it's done confit style. When you do it confit style, what you do is you preserve its flavor by cooking it in its own juice or fat para ma-preserve yung flavor ng duck. So, confit. Kaya siya confit. Wow! Lambot. So, it's cooked, preserved in its own juice. Ganda. Pa yan? Yung mapapa-thank you ko na lang, di ba? Yung on a bed of pork and beans and pork and bacon sausage, iba. Pag iwalay mo yung duck dun sa pork and beans, tatayo pareho. Dessert time. Ipapasubok sa atin ni Chef Bong at ni Tito Boy ang kanilang best-selling na seal dealer, kanilang olive oil cake. Appreciate it. Wow, look at that. And then meron siyang oranges sa ibabaw, and then house-made yogurt, yung white na cream na nakita nyo, and then may olive oil drizzle and mint leaves. You know, ang bida yung sponge-like niya na texture ng olive oil cake. It's almost parang siyang meron siyang magandang hagod ng salt, pleasantly sweet and salty, olive oil cake and yogurt. So, stand-alone bida siya, isa-isa. You know kung paano ang may encounter mong pagkain ay may na sa someone na sense memory or emotion. Ang bawat pagkain dito, ganun yun. For the first time in months, I am rendered speechless. Doon sa mga natikman ko, lahat memorable. I think Chef Bong is highly talented, super talented. You have to watch out for this guy, Chef Bong Sagmit. So maraming salamat, congratulations. Well done, excellent, excellent. What a talented chef you are, Chef Bong. And team, the whole team, amazing. Wala akong nasabi. Kung ano yung naramdaman ko, nalasaan ko, yun yung lumalabas sa aking bibig. Yun lang yun. I need not say anything else. It's just so good. So fellow foodies, saan nyo tayo gusto magpunta? Ano pang gusto nating subukan? Sabihin nyo lamang sa ating comment section dito sa ating Net25 Facebook page. At syempre sa aking mga social media handles at Kuya Tonipet sa Instagram and at /Kuya Tonipet Gaba sa Facebook. Thank you very much. Sa aking pinakamamahal na Pampanga, ang aking hometown, every time I partake of each morsel, each dish, I am reminded of my family, my heritage, our Kapampangan heritage. Para kang hinahaplos ulit, welcome and hinahaplos at niyayakap ng iyong pamilya rito sa Pampanga. Hindi ba mga Kapampangan? Usay lahat, wala masabi. Maraming salamat. Ito si Kuya Tonipet at ito ang TONIPET'S Takeout. Thank you, Tito Boy. Thank you, Chef Bong. Thank you, Pampanga.